These noodles have no calories, but they are incredibly rich in a nutrient, which is one of the fastest ways in the world to stop kidney disease. Gathering here, today we will see what the 5 fastest ways to completely stop CKD progression are. All the foods and remedies of today's video will give you results that are immediately noticeable in terms of lowered creatinine levels and improved kidney function. In particular, don't miss our number 1. That's the one of the most powerful remedies in the world and can literally make your blood sugar levels and your blood pressure drop while improving your creatinine levels. And before that, there is one food that every single kidney disease patient should consume regularly because of its unsurpassed kidney health benefits. Here is the incredible part. A dish of these noodles contains no phosphorus, no potassium, no proteins, and also 0 calories. Yes, no calories at all, and a load of health benefits. Let's see our number 5 now. Also known as miracle noodles, this is shirataki noodles. And guys, I still haven't told you the best benefit of these special noodles. Shirataki noodles are one of the fastest ways to stop CKD progression because they are entirely made from a beneficial type of soluble fiber called glucomannan. Here's how these noodles can lower your creatinine levels fast. A large review of studies linked this nutrient to a slower decline in kidney function. Many patients in stage 3 and 4 of CKD were able to lower their creatinine levels at the point that their kidney function completely stabilized thanks to this nutrient. So eat more of these miracle noodles if you want to stop kidney disease. And this type of fiber has many other proven health benefits. It's a must for those with diabetes. Consuming more of it lowers blood sugar by 28% according to research. Eating enough soluble fiber every day, either from these noodles or other sources, is also proven to lower your bad cholesterol by 10 points or more. Many people also use these noodles for weight loss as they have no calories but are very filling. So replace your pasta and rice with these noodles for immediate health benefits. Question: how can you find shirataki noodles? It used to be that shirataki noodles could only be found in Asian grocery stores, but they are now widely available at health food stores and larger grocery chains. Look for them in the refrigerated section, either with the produce or with the dairy products, depending on where the store usually displays tofu. You can also buy them online since they're packaged. Many shirataki noodles come wet or packed in liquid. These are ready to eat right out of the package. And consider that the glucomannan in these noodles is highly absorbent, soaking up 50 times its weight in water. So it's better to rinse the noodles under abundant hot water and boil them for 2 to 3 minutes, and also drink more water when you eat them. Shirataki noodles are great in Asian noodle dishes, but their versatility means you can use them in any recipe that calls for noodles. Now guys, when it comes to stopping kidney disease progression, some of the fastest and most effective ways include filling nutritional gaps, and results are going to be extremely fast when the nutritional gap we fill is linked to a complication of CKD. So the next nutritional gap we are going to fill is an extremely common one, which is also strongly linked to kidney damage. So if you want to stop kidney disease progression now, consider supplementing. Number 4, L-carnitine. Fact: if you have anemia or if you are in stage 4 or 5 of kidney disease, you need carnitine. And if your doctor somehow forgot to prescribe it to you, listen to this. Anemia is extremely common in kidney disease, and it's the main cause of fatigue, dizziness, shortness of breath, and chest pain. It's also known to make kidney disease progress faster. This is why taking 2 grams a day of L-carnitine can literally save your kidneys. Chronic kidney disease is known to reduce carnitine absorption. It's a condition called secondary carnitine deficiency and a known cause of anemia and kidney damage. Carnitine is an FDA-approved treatment for anemia and kidney disease for this reason. In particular, in studies on CKD patients and diabetes, carnitine supplements significantly reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity compared to a placebo. It also has the potential for reducing blood pressure and the inflammatory process associated with kidney disease. Now, if this is not enough, carnitine is only present in foods such as meat, poultry, and fish. So if you are on a plant-based diet, you may really benefit from taking this supplement. Recommended dose here is 1 gram twice daily of acetyl L-carnitine. So very important, if you suspect you have anemia because you have 1 or more symptoms, don't wait. Talk to your doctor and get checked. There are easy ways of diagnosing anemia, and that's key to stop CKD progression. Okay guys, so we have seen 2 ways of preventing the progression of CKD that are effective on almost all kidney disease patients. Time now to see something that's gonna be effective in 100% of CKD patients. This is an essential fat source that, according to studies, can help with high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of CKD, and also cholesterol levels, triglycerides, inflammation, and more. During long-term double-blind clinical trials, this supplement has also shown to significantly slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease, even in the advanced stages. Omega-3 fatty acids. As a remedy, omega-3s are so healthy, I actually supplement them every day. Supplementing omega-3s is great for your body and mind. It can even help preventing high cholesterol, depression, and anxiety, but also heart disease, metabolic syndrome, age-related mental decline, joint pain, sleep problems. It can even help prevent some types of cancer. Now, for those suffering from kidney disease and following a plant-based diet, there is one more key benefit linked to omega-3 supplementation. There are 3 types of omega-3 fatty acids that are essential: EPA and DHA and ALA. If you are on a plant-based diet, you can get enough ALA if you eat enough flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts every week, but not EPA and DHA. It's a fact that a lot of kidney disease patients are deficient in these 2 essential fatty acids, EPA and DHA. This is why filling this nutritional gap may be incredibly healthy for the kidneys. It protects from a plethora of health problems, including high cholesterol levels, high blood pressure, and even more dangerous, proteinuria. Proteinuria is a predictor of kidney disease progression. What this means is that the lower your proteinuria levels compared to the stage of CKD you're in, the lower the risk of progression to a worse stage. Guys, it's clear that omega-3s can really help. While eating flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts regularly is great to improve kidney health as they are rich in ALA, most patients will also want to add a supplement of EPA and DHA. Just be careful because at higher dosages, there may be side effects, so consult your doctor and get informed about omega-3s before taking them. I have made a full video about this essential nutrient that you may refer to. If you want, you can find it up here and down in description. Time now to see our number 2. This is the fastest ways to help the kidney improve, and it's also the most effective way of getting rid of uremic toxins outside the kidneys. Many doctors and researchers believe that an improvement in this specific area is key to a better kidney health and a better overall health. According to many recent studies, this organ is key for heart health as it affects cholesterol absorption, and it is also key for diabetes and for your body weight because it affects blood sugar levels. And it's also key for brain health because it's where serotonin, the main antidepressant of the body, is made. Number 2 is improving gut health. Fact: having unhealthy gut microbiome doesn't just cause heartburn, constipation, or diarrhea. It can also make you depressed, make your blood sugar skyrocket, and make kidney disease progress faster. On the other hand, taking good care of your gut microbiome is one of the best ways of improving kidney health. This is because the gut is the only other organ in the body that can get rid of the same toxins the kidneys are supposed to remove. To help getting this job done, there are two strategies. You can add some healthy superfoods to your diet to support your gut health. Fermented superfoods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir can really help. Now, one of my favorites when it comes to gut health is definitely kombucha, a tasty, refreshing beverage that's also a great probiotic source. Unfortunately, commercial kombucha comes with too much sugar to be healthy. This is why I've shared in my video up here a very easy recipe you can make at home for a kombucha that's even healthier and sugar-free. Don't miss it! But if we are talking about fast remedies, nothing beats taking a probiotic supplement, according to science. In this review of studies conducted on people with advanced stage kidney disease, it took just 2 months to see significant results with probiotics. Finding the right probiotic supplement may be challenging considering how many different brands and different types of probiotics exist. This is why I've linked down in the description some trusted brands that can ship all around the world. Guys, there is only one thing that can work even faster when it comes to improving the health of the kidneys. It can lower blood sugar by more than 30%. It can lower cholesterol by up to 50 milligrams per DL. And it can make you lose weight. Number 1. Berberine. Studies are clear on this. This remedy protects the kidneys in an incredibly effective way. It is so powerful and so safe that many primary care doctors are starting to recommend it to their patients for cholesterol and diabetes. Yes, this remedy is wonderful, but it also comes with a danger. There is one thing you absolutely need to know before starting this supplement. Please watch my video about it, it's up here, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching.